Hi everyone, welcome to TechieWorld. So today I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB 7 on the Windows 10 or 11. And after that, in the next video, what we'll be doing, we'll be creating a Spring Boot project and we will be performing CRUD operation on the MongoDB. To install the MongoDB, you need to search for MongoDB download on the Google. And the first link that you are seeing on your screen, that is mongodb.com. Just click on that, and once you land on the MongoDB page, what you need to do is let it load completely. And then you go here on the products, okay, and then you click the community edition. Okay, once you click that, you will be redirected to this page, and then you select the community server. Okay, and then click on select package, and in the select package you already see that version is mentioned, so you can select 7.3, that is the current version. My Windows is 64 bits, I'm selecting that, and then you can select any of this MSI or zip. I'll be selecting MSI package, and then click on download. It will download the MSI package of the MongoDB. So let's wait for it till it get downloaded. So as you can see, this MongoDB for Windows MSI package is already downloaded. You just need to click on this. Once you click on this, it will start the installation. So once you click on that, you will get this window. You just need to click on next. And here you need to accept the terms and condition of MongoDB, and then click on next, accept the condition, and then click on next. And then you need to select the package, like which package you want to install in your machine. So first one is complete, second one is custom. I recommend you to go for the complete because it will require some extra space in your computer, but it will be better in your future developments when we will be doing the CRUD operation and all. So for this time, I'm going with the complete. Now there is an option that install MongoDB as a service and run service as a network service user. That is already checked. You don't need to uncheck it. We'll go with this. The meaning of this install MongoDB as a service means once your Windows restarts, or rather once your Windows starts, it will run in the background as a service. Okay, so that's the purpose of this, because you don't know when you're going to use MongoDB. You don't want to start it again and again. So better go with this checkbox itself. It means install MongoDB as a service. Okay, further down to this, you can see the service name of MongoDB is obviously MongoDB, and this is the data folder. It means whatever data you will be saving in your MongoDB will be going to this folder, that is data directory, and the logs will be saved in this directory, that is C program files MongoDB server 7.0 and log, right? So you can see it is a log directory. You don't need to change it. If you wish to change, you can change it, but I'll recommend don't change this. Now you just need to click on next. Now you can see here we got a pop-up that install MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is the official graphical user interface for the MongoDB. So it is basically like a like you have the MySQL workbench. Okay, so it's that kind of tool for the MongoDB, which is kind of UI tool where you will be able to access your collections and the databases that is available inside the collection. Okay, and then you need to check this checkbox, that is install MongoDB Compass, and then click on next. And once you click on next, you will get to this screen, and then you just need to click on install, and it will install the MongoDB in your system. Okay, so let us click on install. I will fast forward this and we'll come back once this is installed. It's still installing, so let's wait for it to complete. So once it is installed, you will see a window like this where it will be written that MongoDB Compass is being installed and it will launch once it is done. So let's wait for its launch. So once it is installed, you will see a window like this where it will say completed the MongoDB 7.0.3 installation, and click on the finish to start the MongoDB server. So we'll just click on finish, and once you click on the finish, you will get this window. Okay, you can see it opened, and here you can see the default URL of MongoDB. So whenever we'll do a project to connect to the MongoDB database and will perform the CRUD operation, we'll be using this URL. This is the local host, that is the machine on which this MongoDB is running. This is the default port number and this is the database name. Okay. So once you click on connect, it should be connecting to the MongoDB server, and this tool is called MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is like MySQL Workbench, okay, which will be connecting to the MongoDB database. And let's click on connect, and then once you click on the connect, you will see some default databases already available here. So to understand this, let me tell you something about MongoDB. In MongoDB, you have in the MySQL database or other RDBMS, you have the databases and then you have the tables. And under the tables, you have the rows and column where you have your actual data. In the NoSQL database, that is MongoDB, first we have the database and then we have the different collections. And under that collections, you will have the data. Okay. So just for this video, we'll try to create one NoSQL database and we'll create a collection. Okay. So since in the next video, we are going to do the CRUD operation on MongoDB with the help of Spring Boot and Java. So what I'll be doing, I'll create a new database from here. To click the new database, you just have to click on this plus icon and then let us name this database as CRUD demo and collection name gonna be employee. Okay. So under the CRUD demo database, you will have a employee collection. Okay. And this time series and advanced preferences that we'll discuss later in some advanced video of the MongoDB. But for now, we have the database name that is kind of database only in the MySQL database. If you compare it with the RDBMS, and this collection name could be kind of a table under which you have the rows and column to have the data, right? Now let us just create on the create database and it will create a CRUD demo database, and under that database you will have a employee collection. Okay, so in the next video of the MongoDB, we'll be doing CRUD operation on this database using Spring Boot and Java. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. So we'll be creating one collection here, which I already created. The employee will have one employee entity or other class in our Java application, and we'll try to create some employee data here. We'll try to delete some, we'll try to update some employee data, and we'll try to read some employee data from the MongoDB database. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.